Hey there, Professor. For evidence for indicator 1 honor, I indicated a 3 because I believe I did honor my professor and classmates' time. However, there were times I was being disrespectful by being on my phone, then listening and paying attention to the professor's discussion, or when he was presenting material, or when a classmate was sharing or discussing information. It wasn't often, and the times that it did happen, it was for an important reason. And for evidence for indicator 2, spirit of harmony and calibration, I indicated a 3 because I believe I was cooperative and flexible when we worked in groups and planning our escape room with my group. During groups, when we worked in groups, I believe I contribute information as much as everybody else, and I easily move between a relationship of leadership and any other role. The reason I gave myself a 3 was because I never volunteered to be a speaker because it's out of my comfort zone. I do not like to volunteer to read or share information, even if I have the correct information. And the reason is that I know I mispronounce certain words, and I avoid to feel embarrassed in front of a crowd or my classmates. So I just avoid it. Evidence for indicator 3, reflective learner. I indicated a 4 because I believe I articulate and model my calling to the profession. I love teaching. I love working with my students. I look forward to going to work every day to see my students and my staff. Everything I've learned, I've been able to apply in my current and hopefully my future education settings. From this course and my previous courses that I've completed, I've started implementing some of the CFU strategies that I've learned in our course, but I have modified some of them due to my student needs. Evidence for indicator 4, professional positive perseverance. I indicated a 3 because I believe for the most part I was prepared, energetic, and constantly reflecting and improving. However, I feel there was a time or two when I did arrive to our class with feeling unprepared because I did not watch the videos that I was supposed to. I didn't get the chance, so when the professor shared and discussed the videos, I was not prepared.